Hi, Bruce Foster with the Sanity Clause again. Let's talk about consciousness one more time. Consciousness is realizing that there's more to the universe than just you and your 3D avatar running around the planet trying to figure out what's happening to you. We know that you're a spiritual being, and you need to understand that and believe that you have a higher consciousness, a higher self, a soul that is working with the spirit realm, which is the majority of the universe. Not much left in the 3D. Enough. But the spirit realm is all hovering around Earth these days to see how the 3D is going to transition to the 5D, because that's what's going on. The mass consciousness of humanity is rising to the understanding that there's more to life than what's projected in this image, this computerized holographic third-dimensional image, and that there's some sort of a spirit, a soul connection behind everything that happens to you. And so your life is created by your thoughts and your desires and your fears. And so when you don't understand that that's what's happening, you have no control of it, you have to take what comes in, because it's being created that way anyway. So consciousness is believing that you have those thoughts and those ideas and fears, but you can learn how to get rid of the fears, how to think positive, control your thoughts, and how to create your existence around you by believing that everything that happens inside with your belief system then is recreated on the outside, instead of waiting to see what happens on the outside and then reacting to it on the inside. That just makes everything backwards. So what you've got to do is you've got to believe that there is a God, that there's or a source or a creator, a higher dimensional being or entity or energy frequency that created us all in this universe, and that we are still connected to it, and that each one of us are connected to it, therefore each one of us are connected to each other. So the people that show up in your life are the ones that you are creating, consciously or unconsciously, to come into your life to help teach you lessons. Okay, good lessons or bad lessons. You don't, in the universe, they're not judged good or bad. They're all lessons, and there's a growth